This is the problem that we can see, which is coming in the form of a circular arrangement, and here we have to do the grouping of the problem. Here it is given that how many ways that we can arrange 8 students in a round table where 2 particular students are together. So we will say there are 8 students, so we will write it as like 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and now we have to do the grouping of any of the 2 students. I will make this value as equal. So now we are having total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 students. Now we have to do the arrangement of the 7 students. So we will write it as equal to n minus 1 factorial. Here we are having 7 students. So I will write it as equal to 7 minus 1 factorial, which is equal to 6 factorial. But we have to arrange it that is inside that group. So I will arrange that one with the help of 2 factorial. The correct answer that you will get, that is equal to 6 factorial into 2 factorial. And now the next one, if you can see the both of the problem that is given as the first one that is with respect to each other. So that's why we have to apply the concept of this circular arrangement. But if I am having the arrangement according to the table, then we don't have to apply the concept of circle. This one will go totally based on the concept of line arrangement, or we can say we are arranging anything in the line. So we will say here we are having how many students? Here we are having total 8, out of which 2 students are in a group. So the total number of students that we will make, that is equal to 7 students. So how to do the arrangement of these 7 students? I will write it as equal to 7, and we have to do the arrangement that is inside that group. So we will do it as with 2 factorial. The correct answer that you will get from here, that is equal to 7 factorial into